and welcome to the intro of this video. This is what I did. Hold on. Here's the thing about this craft, is that everything that went wrong, that could have went wrong, did go wrong. So the reason that it did work out, obviously. I'm so stoked on these and I'm feeling good about the craft now. But mostly why it didn't work out was because I didn't read the instructions. Some would say I half-ass read the instructions on a couple parts. Mostly just the part of how to get the wax out of the candles. I thought you just poured the boiling water in and then once the stuff was to the top, you poured it out. False. I got wax everywhere. There's wax on the floor, there's wax down my sink, which specifically said please don't get wax down the sink. I did that. There's wax in my hair, there's wax on the counter, there's wax literally everywhere. So I'm gonna go through and show you like spots where I would have done things differently. But I do love how they turned out. I didn't paint the insides because I'm a half-assed bitch and I don't really care. Yeah, you do so many things. You could put new candle wax in, which we could try that, but I'm kind of like scared of wax at this point, like I never want to touch it again. Or you could put flowers in them, coins in them, You could plant a plant in them. Really, the possibilities are endless. I probably plant a few succulents in these, especially the ones that look really bad on the inside that I can see. Let's film an outro. So as always, I got all my products. These are way old candles that I've just had forever, and I got those little glass things at Savers, and I'm using my favorite Martha Stewart liquid gilding. I really don't even know what that is. Oh, and we forgot the beer, most important part. So this is me just getting the water ready to boil so I can get that wax out of the bottom of these, and then I'm taking off the labels by hand. You know, the ones that I can, at least. Trying here. So after I let those soak, I'm just scrubbing off the rest of the labels and then also using my nails to just really dig in there, you know, and get those labels off. And this is me just pouring the boiling water into the candles, and you can see how the wax comes at the top. You're supposed to let that harden, apparently, but I was a dumbass and just went and poured it out in my backyard, and this is where it all went wrong, ladies and gentlemen. This is where the wax got everywhere. So then I had to Google. And the Google said just to put the jars upside down and put them in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's what I did. So while my jars were cooking in the oven, I decided to just take the labels off these little Savers finds and start painting those gold. So yeah, this is me painting gold for fucking ever. Oh, sorry, Mom. So then you're gonna take those out of the oven with oven mitts and place them somewhere else. There's still wax everywhere, by the way, so this is me using nail polish remover to get some of the wax off, but also some of the sticky residue from the labels off. I read this online and it worked out pretty well, actually. And then I just painted them gold. Once again, I painted 2 different colors this time so that they weren't all the same, and that's me just painting. It was kind of textured because I didn't get all the stuff off because of half-assed hobbies, but I like it. And these are the final products, and I think they're adorable, and I'm obsessed, and I love them, and I'll put them everywhere in the house. So for the outro, it obviously doesn't matter if you see what I made, but you can still kind of see it, which is cool, I suppose. So remember, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. Like, I really would die if you guys did that, of happiness. So I should have just showed you the hanging plant video and then this one. Maybe I'll do a hobby with someone in between that, but next video I'm going to show you how I turned my heartbreak into art. And by that, I am making a serving platter with some resin, and we're painting it gold again? Are you kidding? Yeah, we're painting it gold. And then some pressed flowers that a boy I was dating pressed for me. And I was gonna make him something with them, but then he kind of ended up being a tool bag, so trying to repurpose them and make the meaning less about him and more about me and my future and where I'm going. And so yeah, I'm very excited for that. It's gonna be so cute. I already have the platter. I'm not gonna show you because it's, you know, we'll see it next video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, share me on social media with your friends. Anything helps. Even 1 view extra is like, guess I'll go. You guys don't care about me. You guys don't care. One more thing, could you just subscribe?